So this is another invoice PDF file, and this one is little bit different than the previous two. In this one, we have line items in multiple pages. So if you look into this, then we have line items in the first page, we have line items in the second page, and it can have more pages as well. And also, if you look into this structure, it's a little bit different. Like, it has shadings. The alternate row has shadings, and we need to extract the information from this particular PDF file, similar with the previous videos. Okay, so we need to extract metadata like an invoice number, invoice date, due date, and total payment. Okay, so that is this one, and we need to extract the line items. So let me show you. So if I just run this, then I'll get this warehouse number, item number, the description, color, size, quantity, unit price, and amount. And if I want to extract the metadata, then I can just run this and I get this invoice number, invoice date, due date, and total date. That's it. If you have any PDF from where you want to extract data, maybe it's one PDF or 1000 PDFs, just send me a message. Have a good day.